Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host, Ulises Herrera. Guys, today we're going to do your daily update of what is going on. It's the beginning of the week. It is Monday. It is 7:45 p.m. California time. So, guys, we're going to talk about what's going on with the DXY, with the dollar strength, what's going on with Bitcoin dominance, what's going on with Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and all cryptos in general, guys. So we're gonna get right into it, guys. So guys, I found out something very interesting. You please need to stick around for it because this should be very interesting, guys. So Bitcoin has gone up quite a substantial amount, as you guys have noticed in the past couple of days. Now, I personally think we're due for a small correction because Bitcoin has just gone up so much. But check this out, guys. I found something very interesting here. So check this out. Look at this channel. This is our previous run channel. Now, if we do this and do this, look at that, guys. Very similar channels going on here, guys. So what does that lead me to believe? That leads me to believe that we may have a slight correction coming into Bitcoin because A, this channel seems to be following pretty closely to the previous channel, and B, look at this one-day chart, guys. On the one-day RSI, we are getting close to the point of overbought. Actually, we're beyond the point of overbought. 70 is overbought, and we are now at 78. Could it go higher? Yeah, it can go higher. Has it gone higher? Yes, it's gone higher in the past. I mean, if you see right here, we've gone higher in the past. But I do think we could see a small correction because of the 4-hourly chart, guys. The 4-hourly chart has just gone up so much, guys. We haven't really experienced an actual retest or drop in quite a while, guys. We've been having small retests, but nothing significant, guys. And eventually we are gonna have to see some red. Now, does this mean I'm bearish on Bitcoin? No, of course not. It just means that, guys, we just need to do retest of certain key support levels in order for us to just continue to keep going up. That's just a normal thing to do. So on this 4-hourly, guys, it looks like we already having a small correction. As you can see, Bitcoin is down, Dogecoin is down, they're all down. But on the overall picture, we're still looking pretty healthy with Bitcoin, at least, guys. Could we see a small, this should be very interesting, guys. I'm gonna keep this chart up like this for the next couple of weeks, guys, because I do think that eventually we could see a $70,000 Bitcoin, $72,000 Bitcoin. I think that is a possibility, guys. Now, so we are here, we're at 58,000. We have had that as a previous point of resistance many times before, guys. We've been rejected at 58,000, and then we get, a small correction, and then eventually we could probably break through. But I'm curious to see what happens in the next couple of days. We may see a correction right here to the $50,000 level, and then boom, continue our run all the way up. Now, could we hypothetically still keep running right now? Yes, that is a possibility for us to keep running that right now in Bitcoin. So we should see what's going on with Bitcoin, guys. And then in the next couple of hours, I do think that maybe we are going to see a small dip because we just have been running up so much that it's natural for us to just have small corrections throughout the week and day. Bitcoin dominance is going up, as you guys have noticed. Bitcoin was pumping, and then all the other altcoins have really just been pulling back a little bit. Every asset right now is really pulling back, as you guys can see. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Shiba Coin, Litecoin, Solana, VeChain, Binance Coin, Cake Swap, Pancake Swap. They're all correcting right now, guys. But the Bitcoin dominance is pretty clear that it is going up. And obviously, when Bitcoin dominance is up, guys, either the altcoins tend to stay stagnant, drop a little, or just kind of not really do much, because when Bitcoin is pumping, all the other altcoins, they just tend to not pump as much because everybody's probably putting their money into into Bitcoin. So the DXY, guys, let's see what the DXY has going on for us, guys. So on the 1 day, guys, the DXY is the strength of the dollar. I do think that no matter what, the DXY does not have so much room to run left anymore. As I mentioned to you guys before, I don't think that we'll get past $95-96 on the DXY, but that has remained to be seen, guys. The last video I told you guys that DXY wasn't gonna keep pumping below $95. This was about 2 to 3 days ago, and we're still at $94. We're not above 95. I would be very surprised to see it going above 95, 96. I just don't think it's gonna happen, but we shall see, guys. I can be wrong. Let's go to Shiba Coin, guys, because Shiba Coin has just, it's doing what, everybody thinks it's gonna do. It's gonna pump and then it corrects. It pumps and then corrects. But overall, guys, I am very, very, very vocal about being careful with Shiba Coin, guys. Shiba Coin is just completely overbought, guys. I mean, you right now, if you're buying into Shiba Coin at a FOMO, I would be very careful. If you're strategically planning like a 4-hourly chart breakout, then yes, then you could make some money. But be very careful, guys. Remember I told you about this channel I made a couple of days ago? Well, here it is. The channel broke out. So whenever you break out of a channel, you tend to have a pump. Now, will this channel continue to break towards the upside? I don't think we will get past the all-time high, guys. As I've mentioned many times before, I don't see the all-time high being surpassed, but I could be wrong, guys. I could be wrong. As I've mentioned before, I am not a sidekick. I'm not a guru. I'm just some guy on the internet. The 1 hourly chart doesn't look like there's much strength left. We could probably still get a small pump out of the 1 hourly chart. I think that's a possibility for Shiba Coin, but I just don't see us passing the 0.000035 section, guys. I just don't see that as a possibility right now. Once again, I could be wrong. Ethereum, guys. Ethereum on the 1 hourly, it looks like we are doing a small correction, guys. I mentioned to you that before. The last video I said, guys, we were either gonna run sideways, which we did. We ran sideways on Ethereum, and then we corrected, which is exactly what I said would happen. The 4 hourly chart looks like we could probably still dump a little bit more, hit some corrections, and maybe wick down to the 33.50 area. And then I would think we're probably gonna get back into this channel on the 4 hourly chart. I think that should be a possibility. Is that a guarantee? No, but that I feel like that may be happening because this channel has been pretty strong since about October, the beginning of the month. It's been continuing to hold support between these two wedges between the two lines in the channel. So we will see what happens. And the overall on the 1 day, Ethereum looks like it still has more room to run, guys. We are, as it seems that we may be retesting the top of the bull market support band, which is the 21 and the 20-week moving average, and then maybe keep moving towards the upside once Bitcoin gives Ethereum the chance to pump. Dogecoin, guys. Let's go to Dogecoin. Dogecoin is doing probably exactly what I told you guys it's gonna do. We are probably gonna retest the top of the bull market support band. Now, if we don't hold the top of the bull market support band, we could probably see once again the 19-cent area. But if we do hold the bull market support band and then keep going towards the upside, that would be a great thing, guys. Because check this out, we could go like this and then boom, like that. Or we could just keep breaking down, which that would not be the best scenario, obviously, for anybody in Dogecoin, guys. But it looks like on the 4 hourly, we are pretty much on the floor, guys. I mean, we are almost as low as we can go. I mean, could we go much lower? I mean, possibly, yes. Look at this. It's gone lower before, but we are getting near the level where, like, okay, we've seen quite a bit of a dump. Maybe we might start seeing some positive price action in the next couple of hours or even a day or two. But right now, everything is correcting. So is Dogecoin. Testing some key support levels, guys. If we can hold 22 cents as a key support level on the 4 hourly, that would be great. That's right on the 200-day moving average. Usually when you break below the 200-day moving average, obviously it's not a good thing. We could see retest of 19 cents if we break the 200-day moving average, but I hope that we just retest the 200-day move, the 22 cents. I'm sorry, not the 200-day moving average, guys. I'm sorry, this is the 200-day moving average, but then the 22-cent area would be something that we should be able to hopefully hold and then bounce up from. If we break down, we could probably see the 19-cent area again. ADA, guys, it's really just kind of taking a bit of a pullback. ADA ran up so much. The 4-hourly, the 1 day doesn't look like it has a lot of steam. The 4-hourly, let's check out the 4-hourly. 4-hourly looks like it's not done dumping, but it's looking. Look at this, guys. This is something very interesting. Look how in the dumps we are on the 4-hourly on the RSI. Could it go lower? Yeah, it could go lower. Probably the 2-cent area again, maybe. But if we hold this channel together, as you guys could see, we've had support here. We had a wick down, support here, and then if we get a support here and then a small wick down and then come back in, could see that breaking out towards the upside. That's a possibility, not a guarantee, just a possibility. Or maybe even just retesting the top of the channel at $2.30, guys. Litecoin, guys. Litecoin is doing something very similar as I mentioned to Bitcoin. Check this out. I did this already on Litecoin. Boom. So check this out, guys. So Litecoin is testing some similarities between the last breakout and this breakout, guys. So check it out. So here it is. Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bam. Look at that. Okay, that's a replica of this. And now we go like this, and look at that. Boom. Very similar, guys. Very similar. So we'll see if this plays out or not. Maybe we're gonna see a $2, $300 Litecoin by the end of the bull run. That's a possibility, or even in the next couple of weeks, month or two, if Litecoin does tend to break towards the upside, which I think it may, guys. I mean, we still have a lot more room to run on the 1 day on Litecoin. So we'll see what happens, guys. Thank you very much, guys. This is just a daily update of what I think is going on. We will see you on the next one, which is tomorrow. Remember, you can always get out of the rat race too. Sign up, like, subscribe, hit that notification bells, guys. See you next time.